top tips of how to manage a child with coughs and colds. So number one, make sure you keep the temperature down by giving them regular Calpol and ibuprofen, and also make sure that they're well hydrated with plenty of fluids. Number two, make sure that they're not showing signs of any breathing difficulties. So that's fast breathing or using other muscles to help with their breathing, so sucking in under their chest, in their neck and between their ribs. And number three, if you notice that your child's becoming drowsy or if you've got any other concerns about them in any way, then make sure you seek urgent medical attention.